Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Volvo XC60 diesel 2010 metallic grey. Car has front daylights, it's got front headlight washer, it's got front parking sensor, front fog lights. It's got 18-inch, 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Half black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation, 4 electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, full electric seats, memory as well. Car has satellite navigation, it's got aux connection, Bluetooth, push button to start, 2-zone air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.